Governor Corzine? Governor, yes, I have a question. Governor, tell us about all these new taxes. Isn't that breaking your promise not to tax and spend?
Let me tell you how it's gonna be. There's one for you and, 1.5 billion for me, because
I'm the tax man, baby. Yeah, that's right, I'm the tax man. You think us 7% sales tax is too high? I plan to tax you till you die, cause I'm the tax man, baby.
Yeah, he's the tax man. Yeah, the tax man, baby.
Governor, it's clear you want more money, but what exactly are you planning to tax?
Yo, here's how it's gonna be. If you feel ill, I'll tax your hospital bill. Even if you're broke, I'm gonna tax your smokes. And if you plan to drink, I'll tax the kitchen sink. If you get a tattoo, I'm gonna tax that too, cause I'm the tax man, baby.
Yeah, he's the tax man.